guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yaya. I know it's been a long time since I made my last video.
2,000 years later.
Between work, school, COVID is still a thing. I haven't found the time, but I'm back with a Valentine's Day look just for you using all drugstore products. Anything you can find in CVS, Wayne Reed, Target, Walmart, Rite Aid, wherever your local drugstore is, you will find these products. So let's go and check it out. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and let's get into this video. So we are getting started with our NYX brow pencil. I really do like this brow pencil because it gives me a natural looking brow. I don't like my brows to be too harsh depending on the look I'm going for. I do like a more natural brow, just a little bit more filled in, and this pencil really helped me achieve that look. I've already done the right eyebrow, so I'm just going to get this left eyebrow on so we can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to use my NYX color palette and my e.l.f. brow brush to highlight my brows and give them a cleaner brow look. When you're highlighting your brow, you want to use a shade that is lighter on the bottom and a shade closer to your skin tone on the top. It's going to make blending a lot more seamless. If you do a color that's way too light, you're going to draw attention and focus to your brows, and it may be the wrong kind of attention depending on the color that you use. In this video, I'm using the same color on the top and the bottom because honestly, I forgot. Now, even though I'm not following my own advice, I'm going to make sure I blend this baby out. And even if you do end up using a lighter shade around your eyebrows, and some people do, that's their preference, if you are queen of blending, honestly, it doesn't matter. And around my eyebrows is a lot lighter than the rest of my forehead, so this color honestly doesn't look too far off. And I'm making sure I blend that baby out. Now that our eyebrows are all blended out, we're going to go back into our color palette and we are going to put some concealer on our eyelids to get it prepped for the eyeshadow. Now you can use a concealer, you can use an eyeshadow primer, whichever. You just want to make sure that once you put that concealer on your eyelids, you blend it out. Now that I've blended out both of my eyes, I'm going to use this setting powder from Maybelline in the shade 355 to create a smooth base on my eyelids so that there is no creasing once I apply my eyeshadow. Now that our base is done, we're going to get into our eyeshadow palette. We're using NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights and Maybelline City Mini Palette featuring Makeup Shayla. We're going to start with color number 7. We're going to pop that into the crease. This is my first time using this palette, and honestly, girl, I was shocked. Like, the color payoff in this palette is really incredible. I'm really glad that I ended up picking this palette up. And we're going to blend that into our crease. Now we're going to go back into our color palette and use color number 2 to really enhance the color in our crease. This color is a little bit brighter, so it should really bring out the color in our crease. Now that we've finished both of our creases, we're going to pop color number 1 on our lid. This color is like a red, pink, but it has like a hint of sparkle in it. So it's subtle, but it's really pretty on the eye. Head into our Maybelline palette and I'm going to use color number 4, this black. I'm going to pop it in our outer corner to give our eye like a little bit more depth and dimension. putting the color in our outer corner, we're going to use our Maybelline liquid liner to create a wing. I've kind of already created a line using that black from our City Mini palette. So I'm just going to go over that with my liner and create a nice sharp wing. Look how I ate this liner. Anyway, we're going to use our Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. This is a great staple lash that every girl should have in her kit. It's inexpensive and it's a fantastic mascara. You guys know I'm obsessed with lashes, especially Ardell lashes. I already put our lash glue on and it's nice and tacky, so it's ready to go on the eye. Make sure you wait until the glue is tacky before putting it on your eye. That way the lash actually sticks to your lash line. I like using my tweezers or my lash tool to really secure my lashes in place and make sure there's no gap between my actual lashes and the lashes that I'm putting on. To complete our eye look, I'm going to be applying these random rhinestones that I got from Amazon. I'm also using this tool that's supposed to help apply the rhinestones, but of course, you know, this happened. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, I dropped a couple of those, but I eventually got them all on and in the place that I wanted to. Although you will see towards the end of this video that I only had 2 left. But whatever, still cute, still pretty, you know. Baby, this eye is giving. Alright, now for our foundation. Now this foundation was my staple foundation all summer 2018. I'm also using this color corrector pen, which is super convenient to correct some dark spots. Thanks COVID for all the extra pimples that I did not need. So I'm covering all these dark spots, and I'm going to make sure that after I apply these dark spots that I really blend them out, because I don't want to change the color of my foundation. So make sure when you're applying corrector that you blend it out, because if not, if you're using orange corrector, your foundation will be orange, and that's not cute. Corrector is blended, I'm going to use about 3 pumps to cover my face. I'm using my favorite foundation brush, and guys, like, look at this foundation. I mean, she did what she had to do on my mug. I mean, it's just such beautiful coverage. It is honestly Maybelline's best product. Like, Maybelline, don't change this formula. It is the bomb. Now that our base is on, we're going to use the Milani Deep Tan Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I was pleasantly surprised by this concealer, and I actually plan to use it a lot more. It had great coverage. The consistency of the concealer was fantastic, and you'll see in a couple minutes how well it blends. I mean, it was just beautiful. This shade is a little bit lighter than I anticipated, but girl, wait till the end. I mean, she is just gonna glow. Now that our concealer is in the right spot, blend, blend, blend. Blend until you cannot blend no more. And then when you think you can't blend no more, blend some more. back to our girl NYX to use color number 4 to contour. I'm going to contour my cheeks, and I also end up contouring my nose, although you don't see it. I also do contour my nose in this video. Y'all already know I can't stress this enough. Blend, blend, blend. Blend your highlight, blend your contour. Blend your highlight into your contour to give your contour a more seamless look and not a harsh line. You also don't want it to look muddy in that area. It should look like you're trying to snatch your cheekbones. Okay, real Naomi Campbell, know what I mean? Is one of my favorite setting powders after my girl Laura Mercier. But this Airspun translucent powder is really gorgeous. I'm not going to bake with this powder. I'm really just going to set my highlight and the rest of my face because I want everything to come together and look very seamless. Now that the face is set, I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette. This is the powder version, just to snatch my contour a little bit more. So when I post my picture, y'all can be like, woo, look at her contour. The face is snatched. Now that our face is done, I'm going to go back and add mascara to my bottom lashes. I was going to actually add falsies to the bottom of my lashes, but I felt like this look didn't need it. This look is already perfect as is. I just want to add a little bit of color to the bottom of my lashes. We are almost done with this look. I'm going to use my LA Girl lip liner in the color Vamp to line my lips. My lips are already full, but I like lip liner because it makes my lips a little bit fuller, and I love that look on me. Now that my lips are in a great shape, I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick in the color Totally Toffee. I love this lipstick. I actually need to re-up on this lipstick. It is gorgeous, especially paired with a darker lip liner. So I messed up. I did not have a drugstore lip gloss. I'm so shocked. So I had to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is the Glass Lipper. It's just a clear gloss. And it really just finished off my lip color. It just really made everything look so juicy and succulent. And now our look is finished. Now that we have our setting spray, I'm going to spray down my face with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I am obsessed with this setting spray. It is beautiful. Alright guys, so that is our look. I hope you guys loved it.
I feel fabulous. I look fabulous.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye!